What's up, my name's TechNoba here for TroubleChute and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix a simple error with Outriders, though of course it's not exactly guaranteed as it's still pretty early after the release, there's tons of issues, and this is one of the issues that's causing quite a few people headaches. So if it doesn't work after this tutorial, just know that it is something that developers are actively working on and it is very well known. Basically, what I'm talking about is the Outriders party joining failure error, meaning you can't join your friends, or possibly your friends can't join you. I'm of course on PC, and even though I haven't bought the actual game just yet, I've still got the demo version over here that works perfectly fine. I'll show you exactly what you need to do in the official, full version of the game. Anyway, let's go ahead and fire up Outriders. When you do get to the main menu, hit the settings button in the bottom left, and on the gameplay tab, you'll see an enable crossplay button. Simply turn this on, even if your friends are playing on the exact same platform as you. Apparently what I've heard is that a couple of platforms think that they're other platforms, or your game could think it's on a different platform. Anyway, turning this on lets your friends join you if they're unable to join you. Of course, if you're hosting a lobby or anything, you'll have to quit out and create a brand new lobby for changes to take place if simply enabling this wasn't enough. On the full version of the game, I think there's also an option here, something about cross-platform voice chat, which you can also turn on or off, but that's not here in the demo version. Anyway, when you quit out of this menu, you should be able to play the game, but of course if you were in-game and enabling this, you may have to restart the game completely instead of just the world or the lobby that you're in. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, my name's been TechNoba here for TroubleChute, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!